Hello, Assalamu alaikum. The topic we are going to discuss today is the common failures that occur while you are retrieving data or answers from large language models. Why do they occur and what are those common failures? So, the number one is which you always see whenever you are using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info. Are you seeing this here? So ChatGPT hallucinates you. In psychology, hallucinates means you are seeing things which are in reality not present. Similarly, ChatGPT can confidently answer you things that are not in reality occurring. For example, if I say write an article, academic one, on ambiguous people, give for each sentence 5 citations. Sir, it is searching the academic sites. Now it is making a acceptable example of academic article. But you would see that sometimes when I click those links, they are not in present giving the information that this ChatGPT is giving me. In links, it doesn't occur sometimes, but when I say make the citations, it often occurs. It will make some citations. When I click it, it won't be present in actuality. Okay, so this occurs a lot, and that is called hallucinations. It confidently says you something which is not present. See, now the second thing that lets ChatGPT or any large language model to make mistakes is that you are not giving it the proper context. You have to assign it a role, you have to specify the actions, you have to precisely assign the parameters in which it has to deliver you the content. If you make mistakes in these factors, ChatGPT is not going to feel what you are feeling, and it's not going to answer you properly. And that is something we have covered in our first video, that we were vaguely telling it write something about cars, and then it gave us answers that were not really helpful. Lack of context also occur when you suddenly change the conversation topic in a chat. For example, if I am talking about what are cheetahs, in and after cheetah I suddenly start start something about psychology of child. So some of the leads that will influence on the next article or the next answer that I'm going to retrieve from ChatGPT is going to be dependent on this cheetah article. So if you suddenly change the topic, ChatGPT is going to make some mistakes in giving you the answer. Fortunately, we are using ChatGPT 5 and those mistakes have abundantly been covered up, so we are not seeing it. But if you would be using 4, 3, or apparently 2, this could have been a lot. Okay, and the last mistake that is very subtle in large language models is bias. Okay, so the large language models are trained on lots of trillions of bytes of data. Now these data are not balanced between the cultures, the language, the fields, the sciences. Some sciences or some language have more data, are more resource rich, digitally more resource rich. So their data is fed up more, and eventually, consequently, the nuances or the stereotypes or presumptions of those data, those culture or those fields conquer upon the whole. The specifications became too generalized, and we got certain biases in the answers we get. So if I say culture, what is culture? We are going to get the definitions that are present in Western philosophies more and more. The Eastern words Easterns are not going to be more incorporated in this article, because the Western philosophy have more resource rich sites and digital work. They are easy to be fed up and they are easy to be trained upon, and that's why we have subtle biases in all of the data. Thank you very much for being with me in this video of common failures in retrieving the data from large language models, and that occurs mostly while you are being hallucinated by the large language model, or you provide the lack of context, you change the topic too much, too swiftly, or there are the data on which that language model is trained is biased upon towards certain kind of data. Thank you very much.